me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers, fuck my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot, just for peace. Drop the data, now we plant inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P, push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keep a P.
Hi girl, hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie. How you ride?
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of those change to be a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost favorites. Still wanna try, still believe it. But then, always inside. Good. Since I disappeared, if you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my course to get alone night.
Hi guys, it's me, MakeupByKyaaa here, and today's video is a morning routine, whatever. I can't find my lip oil. Well, I left my lip oil at my cousin's house, so I'm using this lip moisturizer or lip mask, whatever. But yeah, I think it's a lip mask, but I'm using it as moisturizer. I have been trying to do this video for the past week, but I have not been able to get up for school. But last night I didn't even go to sleep, so pulling an all-nighter, and I'm already feeling sleepy. So we'll see how this is gonna work. These two bumps just decided to come out of nowhere. Literally the day that I used to wear makeup, because I had worn makeup for like 3 weeks because my face had broke out, but it started to clear up. But then this and this would come in the last 2-3 days when I was supposed to be doing this video. So I think that's a sign that I shouldn't be doing this video. But anyways, you see all my acne scars or whatever, I'm gonna do a face mask. My aunt, she makes skincare, haircare products, black on business, go support. But yeah, she made that stuff, so she made a face mask. So I'm gonna use that face mask because it has turmeric in it, and I need to lighten my dark spots. I put all my makeup, all my everyday makeup in this bag, and that's the like smartest thing I've ever done, instead of having to turn back there, reach back there to go get a thing. So yeah, I'm using Anastasia right now because I recently got it in a BoxyCharm, and I was so ecstatic. Like, I'm so excited. I was so excited to get it. Yes, and I love it. It's actually pretty good. I was gonna get it, but I wasn't gonna get it because I wasn't spending $40 on a brow pomade, even though this could last me about like 3 years. But still, that money just did not sit right with me. So Valentine's Day is Monday, today is Friday, and I have no Valentine like every year. It's okay because I'm gonna be my own Valentine because it's DTN for life. I haven't done my makeup in so long, so excited. Started using this new concealer, the Milani concealer. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus, but in the shade 160. It's actually pretty good, honestly. But the good thing is, in cosmetology, I can sleep in that class, so that is what I will be doing. So yeah, I always sleep in that class. I have to take Uber today because my mom had to go to work early, so got to take an Uber, which means I have to leave extra early. We'll be ready extra early because, you know, Ubers, they take time to get here. So, and I want to be to my school by 7:19 at the latest. Yeah, I don't know what was going on yesterday, but literally everything and everybody was literally on my nerves. Like, I'm just like, why today? Why are y'all choosing today? But it's like, everybody was banging on my nerves, to be honest. But it's just that I wasn't showing it. But yesterday I just could not keep this facade up. I'm like, y'all are getting annoying. Y'all are getting annoying. Like, everybody at school, all of that. I just couldn't do it. I'm like, y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go, because I'm not the problem. Y'all the problem. Y'all gotta go. I need to stop putting my hands by my hair, because next thing you know, get what you call it, makeup in it. But yeah, this concealer is like actually like pretty good. Like, not even gonna lie. Gotta cover up them acne scars. This is my last year taking PE because I just can't do it. Although I think I'm gonna have to take physical fitness or whatever it's called, because I don't think that and PE is the same thing. So I'm not sure, but hopefully I don't, because I'm sick and tired. I'm ready to go, ready to graduate. Like, this is too much. They keep me here too long. I'm not gonna put concealer on my eyes because, like, in contrast, the top of my eyes, like, usually I use like a brown color because that's my new like makeup routine or whatever. I put like brown eyeshadow there, but I feel like even without me putting that there and me just not putting concealer, it makes it look like I have eyeshadow on, because, you know, my eyes are dark, my dark eye circles. So yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like life has been getting kind of boring, you know. I feel like my eye bags are gonna show, but it's okay because I'm gonna put some more concealer on, so hopefully it'll be better. But yeah, time check. Ooh, I need to hurry up. That is why I need to do, because I need to call that Uber by 7 o'clock, and it's 6:21, and I'm just on concealer. So, but yeah, usually I don't talk this much in my videos, especially in the morning, because I just don't even like talking. But, you know, I'm actually talking kind of a lot now. Anyways, yeah, I did a whole little montage earlier though, because I really didn't feel like it. I'm like, it's too early in the morning for this, but, you know, I'm talking now, so it makes it work. I just love contouring my nose. It's my favorite step. But then sometimes I hate it because it's be the worst step, and just like makes my whole face look ugly. So hopefully today we have a cute contour day. Most times, even with my scrubs, I don't even be wanting to do makeup, because I don't know, scrubs just give me the same vibes as sweats, just like sweatpants and stuff like that. But even with sweatpants, you know, you could dress it up and stuff like that. But still, I don't know, I'll be feeling so bummy and just bummy. So I don't even be wanting to wear makeup. But I'm like, you know what, my face can make this whole look come together, you know what I mean? I was like, you know, let me do my makeup sometimes. But then other times I'm just like, nah. Because I'm like, if I'm just gonna look bad, I just might as well look all the way bad, you know? Because if I look bad and like some part of me look good, it's like, oh, she actually like tried to look like that. Like, that's her style. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe I'm making no sense. I don't know. I could never put that into words until today. Well, until now. When I wear makeup, I get so many compliments at school. Like, I love it. I love the attention, you know? And it's not to say, oh, you know, I think they say I look ugly without makeup. I really don't care that much. But I like how I do get compliments when I do wear my makeup, you know? Like, it's like, okay, I did my makeup good, you know? But yeah. I need to put my treat on before I leave the house, because I always forget and I need to start forgetting. That looks so crazy on camera. Why do I literally look so bad on camera? I promise you guys, I don't look this bad in person, okay? I actually look way better. I don't know, maybe it's the thing.
In place that our youth is in the present. Chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now.
You want to say hi to my YouTube?
What you say?
Do you want to say hi to my YouTube?
Hey, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Please. I haven't done my.
I should've given from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. Trying to be innocent.
Alright, so I had to move the mirror because I wanted to show you guys the fit because there's no light from over there. So anyways, we got some Adidas with Nike socks, of course. Even though it's matching crisscrossing brands, who cares? Yeah, you can't see it anyway. But even though when I wear my stuff for PE, you're gonna be able to see it, but it doesn't matter. But anyways, my scrubs are from Amazon. Adidas thing, put on my things, my Apple Watch, my crystals, my all of that, my Pandora. Or I gotta put it on the car because yeah. Then I put on some rings, some random rings. Then I put on my cross necklace and my name necklace, my nameplate necklace. Did my earrings and all that, you know, cute. Anyways, yeah, so this is how we're looking today. Cute little nurse, little esthetician today. But yeah, so I'm about to go. I'm gonna pack my lunch. So for lunch today, I'm taking Chinese rice because that's what my mom got us yesterday. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, pack it right now, but I need to hurry it up.
Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep from losing the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Trying to be innocent, it's just urgent. Things are some little change to me, a war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me.
I'm about to get mad. I'm about to get mad. I'm about to get mad. What is the top?
Conversation found with most in